चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
The entire country and their blessings are with me.
How are you looking at the... Okay, we will speak to her in just a bit more as she's just gone inside to do the darshan early in the morning on the counting day today, and she will be coming out and speaking once again and has been seemingly very hopeful about the result today.
Yes, because if we are really looking at the Indie hoping that there will be a dent in the Hindi heartland, what they forgot is that even what was considered to be their stronghold, they are missing out. Telangana being one classic example where the BJP is emerging as a force to reckon with, Kishore.
Yeah, Telangana will be a huge surprise today. Telangana 5-6 months back only Congress came to power, but BJP will be the single largest party in Telangana.
At least in two states, Karnataka as well as in Telangana, where they are in power, yet they have not been able to really move ahead.
All the huge promises made by them have not been delivered.
So you're saying the guarantees have failed, the Nyaya guarantees that they have been talking about.
When you don't perform, you lose trust. Very simple.
You
You talked of alliance. You look at Nitish Kumar, who convened and this particular alliance,
Right.
and he was thrown out. He was not given respect. For 1 year a meet you have, then you fight each other in Bengal, you fight each other in Kerala, you fight each other in Punjab. So what kind of talking about?
That's the reason why when
आप वहाँ एक दूसरे को गाली देते हैं और वहाँ साथ में बोलते हैं हम साथ
Colonel
में
Ashok, when he was saying, you know,
See, in Kerala,
no, Abdul
there's
Razak,
we have 40,
you ought to
20
understand
seats.
the confusion that we're talking about in the mind of the voters. But Ratan Chadha, if we really talk about the confusion in the mind of the voters, then one would have to also decipher what really happens in the state of Maharashtra. We'll come to that in a short while from now. I'm told that some more Madhvi Lalta is speaking once again.
भाई और हमारे मोदी भाई का जो दिल अब के बार हैदराबाद पे है, जिस प्रकार से उन्हें हमारा सहायता की है, हम पक्के हैं अब की बार के ठोस कर कह सकते हैं कि हम उनके आशीर्वाद से और लोगों के प्यार से हम इसको जीत कर बाहर निकलेंगे।
क्या इम्पैक्ट है अगर हम कहें कितने सालों से एसएसबी यूनिवर्सिटी लगातार जीतते आ रहे हैं, कितनी बार जीते, लेकिन अब माधवी लता जी के आने से क्या इम्पैक्ट हम देख पा रहे हैं? क्या चुनाव में क्या नतीजा आपको लग रहा है क्या बदले?
लोगों को अपने ऊपर जो जुल्मे हुए हैं, जो ज्यादती हुए हैं, उनको बाहर कहने की उनको एक हिम्मत मिली है अब की बार। जो इतने सालों से वो बोल नहीं पाए, वो बात अब कहने का एक निडरता उनमें जो आई है, यह बहुत बड़ी बात है। ये एक जीत है अपने आप में।